Hello students, how are you all? This is Pyali Mukherjee from Great India School, Raipur. Solution. The first unit of physical chemistry. After studying this chapter, you are able to understand how the solution formed. Types of solution. What is Raoult's law? What is Henry's law? Colligative properties, and you were able to understand different unit of measurement of concentration of solution. So, what is solution? First question is, you are all known, whenever we study any chapter, we were moving from known to unknown. Use Kudow's method. So the first topic or term is solution, you are all well known, that is a homogeneous mixture of the substances. When two or more components are mixed which cannot be separated by any physical method like filtration, settling or centrifugation, etc. Actually, the size of the particles of component is more than 10 to the power 9 minus 9 millimeter diameter. So, it is dissolve easily or mix each other easily, cannot be separated. So, solutions means homogeneous mixture of two or more components in which one component is always in more in size or more in amount than the other components. For example, suppose we will take sugar and water solution. 1 cup of water and 1 spoon of sugar. Here cup of water is more in quantity, so water is solvent and sugar is in less quantity, that is solute. Suppose you will take just vice versa, opposite. That means you will take 1 kg of sugar and only 1 cup of water. Then solvent is sugar and water is now solute. So on the basis of number of components, solutions are binary. When one solvent is there, solvent is always 1 in number, which is more in amount, and solutes are more than 1. So when one solute is there, that is called binary solution. When one solvent and 2 solutes are there, that is trinary, and one solvent and more than 2 components of solutes are there are quaternary. So on the basis of types of components or number of components, binary, ternary, quaternary solutions are formed. Now on the basis of physical state, solid, normally what we think that solvents are always in liquid state. That is not true. Solvents may be solid, may be liquid or may be gas. On the basis of these physical states of solvents, solutions are specially 3 types. Mainly 3 types are solid solution, liquid solution and gas solution. As the name solid solution, solid is solvent, liquid solution, liquid is solvent, gas solution, gas is solvent, and other 3 are the solutes like solid in solid solution. Example, alloys. Different metals are mixed in proper composition, proper percentage, then alloys are formed. This is the example of solid in solid solution. Solid in liquid solution, liquid in solid solution or gas in solid solution. Same, liquid in liquid solution, liquid gas in liquid solution and solid in liquid solution are the 3 others type. Or in gas as a solvent, solid in gas, liquid in gas and gas in gas are the other 3. In this way, 9 types of solutions are there. Out of these 9 types of solutions, 3 are main, which are the subject of discussion in this chapter. We'll discuss later. Now, how the concentration, what is concentration and how the concentrations are of the solution are measured. Concentration means amount of solute dissolved in solvent is concentration. It is of 2 types. When solid in solid or solid in liquid, we use mass of solvent and volume of mass of solute and volume of solvent. So percentage composition or percentage concentration we measure there. And another is when liquid in liquid solution form, we use volume of both solvent and solute. So volume percentage we measured. Another is molarity. Molarity, gram molar mass of solute dissolved per liter of solvent, that is molarity. And the formula is given mass of the solute upon molecular mass into 1000 divided by volume of solution. If it is ionic solution, then we use instead of molarity, formality, the same formula mass used there, or formula is used there. Next is normality. Gram equilibrium mass dissolved per liter of solution is called normality. So, what is equilibrium mass? Equilibrium mass is molecular mass divided by number of electrons released from the ionic solution or the atoms, or acidity or basicity of the solute. Normality, the formula is capital N is equal to given mass upon equilibrium mass into 1000 by volume of solution. Next types of measurement is molality. Here what is molality? Small m. And molality is gram molar mass of solute dissolved per 1000 gram of solvent. Here both are in the solid state. So the formula is given mass upon molecular mass of solute into 1000 by kg of solvent. Okay. Another is mole fraction. Mole number of any components or mole fraction of any components divided by the total fraction of the solution into 100, that is mole fraction. Another type of measurements of concentration is ppm, parts per million. When solute is very small in size or amount, then per 1 million of solution, the parts of the solute present, that is called ppm or parts per million. Amount of solute divided by amount of solvent into 10 to the power 6 million. Okay. These are the measurements of concentration. Read it from the Diksha book, NCERT book from Diksha app, and then I will discuss the later.